Ever wondered how to make money from inflation? Well, let's first figure out what inflation is. It's a general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. Sounds scary, right? But don't fret. It's not all doom and gloom. In fact, savvy individuals can use inflation as a stepping stone to increase their wealth. So, buckle up and open your mind as we delve into the world of making money from inflation. Now, here's how you can turn inflation into an opportunity. Stocks can be your friend during inflation. Companies with the muscle to hike prices and sectors like energy, commodities, or certain consumer goods often thrive. They can pass on higher costs to customers, making these investments profitable during inflationary times. So, stocks can be a good bet, but what else? Commodities, real assets, and foreign currencies can also be your allies. Investing in commodities like gold or oil, real estate, or foreign currencies from lower inflation countries can provide a sturdy hedge against inflation. But that's not all, there's more. Your savings and earnings can also play a part. When it comes to inflation, having your money in interest-bearing accounts like those swell savings or checking accounts with higher interest rates can help you keep up with the Joneses, or rather keep up with inflation. On the home front, controlling expenses and budgeting wisely can make you a penny-pinching superstar, effectively saving you money. And don't forget to boost those earnings. A raise, a new job, or even a side gig can give inflation a run for its money. But what if you own a business? Business owners, you're not left out. In the face of rising costs, adjusting your pricing strategy is key. By keeping prices in line with inflation, you can protect your profit margins. Remember, inflation doesn't always have to be a bad thing. Inflation can be an opportunity, not just a problem. From savvy stock investments, commodities, and real assets to smart savings and strategic business decisions, there's a way to turn inflation in your favor. Remember though, every investment carries risks. With the right strategies, you can make money from inflation, so why not give it a shot?